In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Vimeo videos in Framer. We'll walk through this step by step so you can smoothly add Vimeo content to your Framer project and make it look exactly the way you want. Go ahead and open your project in Framer so you can follow along as we do this together. First, look toward the top left side of the Framer interface, where you'll find the main toolbar. From there, click on Insert. This is the panel you'll use whenever you want to add something new to your canvas, whether it's text, images, components, or in this case, embedded media like a Vimeo video. Once you click Insert, a menu or panel will open with different categories of elements you can drop into your design. Next, inside that Insert panel, find and click on the Media category. Media is where Framer groups elements related to video, audio, and other rich content. Clicking on Media will filter the options so you only see the types of elements that are relevant for embedding things like Vimeo. Now inside the Media section, look for the Vimeo option. Once you see it, click on Vimeo, then drag it onto your canvas and drop it where you want the video to appear. You can place it inside a frame, within a layout grid, or just on the page itself. After dropping it, you can resize the Vimeo element by dragging its corners, just like you would with any other frame or component, to match the layout you have in mind. With the Vimeo element selected, it's time to customize the settings. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Properties panel, where you can paste your Vimeo video URL, adjust the width and height, and tweak behavior like autoplay, looping, or showing controls, depending on what options are available. Take a moment to make sure the video link is correct and that the